This question tells us to find an angle theta that is coterminal with an angle measuring negative 510 degrees, where 0 is less than or equal to theta, which is less than 360 degrees. To answer a question like this, I would generally look at our bounds, which is 0 degrees is less than or equal to theta, which is less than 360 degrees. And then think about where the angle they gave us is relative to this. So the angle negative of 510 degrees is somewhere off that way. It is less than 0 degrees. So it's somewhere over here. Negative 510 degrees. Okay, but we want an angle that is coterminal to negative 510 degrees that is between 0 and 360 degrees. So the way we find an angle that is coterminal is by adding or subtracting 360 degrees. In this case, we know we need to add 360 degrees because we're off over here to the left. We're below 0. So if we just subtracted 360 degrees, it would put us more below 0 or further in the wrong direction. So we know we need to add 360 degrees to get somewhere in this range. So if we start at negative 510 degrees and add 360 degrees, that will give us negative 150 degrees. So we're closer to this bound. We haven't quite got there yet. We're still a little too negative. So we need to add another 360 degrees. So if we add another 360 degrees, this should be 210 degrees. Okay, now that we've found our angle 210 degrees, this is between 0 and 360. So this has to be our answer. If we added another 360 degrees, then we would now be somewhere over here greater than 360. So we'd have went too far. So 210 degrees is an angle that is equivalent or terminates in the same place as negative 110 degrees.